Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? Welcome to Stock Vision, the channel where we talk about the stock market and we make our money grow in the stock market. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell everyone that you know so they can also go ahead and get this money. Now, in today's video, we're going to look and see how the technical analysis worked out for I-MAB and Acadia Pharmaceuticals. We're also going to look and see how the debut went for Polestar, which was formerly Gore's Guggenheim. And I have another technical analysis for us where it looks like the stock is primed to start going up tomorrow, immediately. So make sure you stay tuned in, and I'll see you at the charts. Hey, welcome everyone to the technical analysis portion. All right, so we're looking at I-MAB right now. And we had first talked about I-MAB all the way back on June 7th. I had called out the bullish engulfing candle that was printed, which is right here, just to remind you guys. We were talking about it was at $9.01. Okay, the very next day, boom, it pops 19%. So if you have been tuned into Stock Vision, you have been up to date, you had purchased this when we first talked about it, and you had sold it the next day, you could have possibly already made up to 19% in one trading day. And it's very hard to beat that, to get 19% in one day. So let's say, for example, you didn't sell it. You were still holding it. It's all the way up right now to $12.35. So that's roughly a 30% increase from when we started talking about it here on Stock Vision. Now, on Stock Vision, we're always looking at the charts. We're always looking for an opportunity where we can make our money grow immediately, right off the bat. We buy it, we want to see it go up right away, and that's a specialty here on Stock Vision. So make sure you keep up to date, make sure you keep tuned in, and make sure you tell everyone that you know so they can be a part of this as well. So we're going to look at Acadia too. We were talking about Acadia on June 22nd. I had called out the hammer stick candle that was printed, and then the partial bullish engulfing that was printed the very next day, and also this big ass gap that's here on the chart. So we had talked about it. It was at $13.27. The very next trading day, it goes up 9.6%. The trading day after, it goes up another 1%. So this is also something that you could have made over 10% in 2 trading days, which is pretty much immediately. If you had bought it, it had gone up and it's continuing to go up. But obviously, we'll see in due time for what's going to happen, if it's going to continue to go up or what's going to happen here in the future. But the technical analysis was on point and it's doing exactly what I thought it would be doing. We also talked about Polestar. Now we didn't talk about Polestar based upon the technical analysis. We talked about Polestar based upon the merger. Remember, Gore's Guggenheim was merging with Polestar, which is the EV maker that has really nice cars. They're looking to rival Tesla. I did a lot of research on them, and their cars are pretty dope, and they look really good, and there's a lot of cool functionality that they do have. It hit the market on Friday, and it was all over the place. Printed a hammer stick candle. It opened at 12.98, went to 13.36, went down to 10.41. It was literally all over the place. All right, we first talked about this. It was at about $10.84. We didn't talk about this based upon, like I mentioned, the technical analysis, more so for the excitement that can be for the merger, because sometimes these SPACs, when they have that merger get approved, sometimes they literally pop right off the planet. So that's the reason why we were talking about this. It is still up for when we previously talked about it. So let's keep our eyes on it, see what happens here in the future. Now, the new one I have for us that I think looks pretty promising based upon what the chart's showing is Kinross Gold, ticker symbol KGC. So it looks like to have formed a double bottom. So here's what a double bottom is. It's a strong reversal pattern. So you can see it's been going down to where it hit one bottom right here, $3.94, $3.92, bounced back up, came back down to another bottom right in this area. Now, one of the things that really excites me about this is it printed a 52-week low on Friday. And in addition, it printed a green hammer stick candle right there. Pretty beautiful hammer stick candle, a clear one right there, which indicates that that can be the second bottom, and now it's going to shoot to the upside immediately starting tomorrow. Now, if you notice, there's a line on here at $3.79. I drew this line just to see if there's any other point in time that Kinross Gold has interacted with this price to see if it's going to act as support, which will give us a little bit more sight beyond sight to see if it's going to bounce starting tomorrow. You can see it hit it here, had a couple interactions over there. It's been snaking around. Boom, it hit it twice. Boom, 3 times right over there. So that looks good. That makes me a little bit more excited, a little more confident that it's going to start going up starting tomorrow. Another thing that works in the favor of Kinross is the Biden administration just announced today that they're going to be limiting the exports or totally eliminating exports of gold out of Russia. So that leads me to believe that the price of gold is going to go up. And obviously, Kinross Gold, that's exactly what they do. So that can help with the sentiment of the stock. In addition to the double bottom with the hammer stick candle, makes it look like this is set to go up starting immediately. Okay, so that's today's video. I hope you learned something. Obviously, if you like what you saw, as always, Hulk smash that like and subscribe button. Tell everyone that you know so we can all make our money grow together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.